fordtransit custom smoking. Hey guys, from OGS Mechanics workshop. We've got here today this fordtransit custom, a 2-liter engine, which came in after customer was complaining that he was smoking when he's driving. It might have happened to you, or you've seen one in traffic, smoking like this.
I know, I go to the service now, that's what I'm doing, taking the film is doing smoking and stuff. Cheers.
Well, yes, this type of smoking had been caused by different things, but what we have found in this situation, it was an injector seal, the copper washer that this literally seals the injector. The washer has gone bad, as you can see the carbon built on it. It was not sealing anymore, and what he was doing, he was allowing gases to escape from the combustion chamber and go literally inside the engine. The injectors are just inside the engine here through those holes, so all the gases that were escaping through there, and eventually what they have led to, the breather being blocked. This is the old cam cover, just to give you an idea. This is the new cam cover. This is the breather mechanism, the breather valve that lets the engine breathe, lets all the gases to go out, so through this hole. Now in this whole unit there were no gases coming through here, and we really want to see why that was the case. We had to break it in pieces because this was the only way to get to the breather itself. This is like a sponge material. It's gone so hardened it wouldn't leave anything go past. And the only solution, yeah, it can be seen. The only solution was to replace the whole cover. Obviously, new seals, they'll do the job. As mentioned, this the white smoking can be caused by different things: particulate filter, regeneration, not working correctly, injector issues. But in this case, minor thing like this has led to a breather blockage, and eventually white smoking causing a significant oil consumption. Again guys, a glimpse in our activity here in OGS Mechanics, where we perform tasks from general repairs to servicing, diagnostic and coding programming. OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs. Get in touch, we're here to assist.